Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I've realized I've never introduced myself in my videos, so I thought I should start. My name is Nadia. I am 25. Originally I'm from Malaysia, but I moved to Melbourne, Australia in 2016 for uni. I graduated in 2018 and then I got a job at an online retailer in marketing, which I left that job about 4 months ago now, and I'm currently working at a media agency as an SEO executive. So that's a bit about me. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a week or in a few days. I don't have the entire week here because normally about 2 or 3 days out of the week I either eat out or I would eat with my boyfriend's family. So I didn't want to film any of that because it's a private moment, you know? But yeah, enjoy this video. On Sunday, I was in the mood for some sushi for dinner, so I ordered a spicy salmon roll. I ordered from a Japanese restaurant called Shayun or Shrin, I don't know how to pronounce it. And then for dessert, I had bread pudding. I've been making bread pudding every week lately because we keep having leftover challah. Monday, I had overnight oats for breakfast. I saw this Bounty overnight oats on TikTok and I followed that recipe, and it was not the best overnight oats I've had, but it was still pretty good. I also had a black coffee as well with my breakfast. For lunch, I had some sauteed mushrooms and some eggs with sourdough. As an afternoon snack, I made a little yogurt bowl or a yogurt cup. I used vanilla protein yogurt, blueberries, a handful of granola, and some dark chocolate. And I also drizzled some maple syrup on top of it. So that was really nice. For dinner, I made chicken curry. I bought this curry paste from Woolies, and yeah, so it wasn't entirely from scratch, but it was still pretty good. I also had it with a side of dumplings. For dessert, I had some bread pudding again with some custard this time. On Tuesday, I made sourdough toast with some sauteed mushrooms and fried eggs with some wilted spinach. I also added some hot sauce, some everything but the bagel seasoning in my eggs. Amazing, highly recommend. For lunch, I had some leftover chicken curry with the dumplings, and then right after that I had a little square of a Cadbury caramel chocolate. And then for dinner, I made a sweet potato risotto with walnuts. I can't remember if it was walnuts or pecans or mushrooms with some wilted spinach. Then after that, I snacked on some cuttlefish crackers. On Wednesday, I had an everything bagel with some cream cheese, eggs, and some wilted spinach. Again, amazing. You can't fault this breakfast. I also had some black coffee with that. For lunch, I had some leftover risotto from last night with a drizzle of truffle flavored olive oil that I got from HelloFresh. And then for dessert, I had a Magnum mini ice cream. These Magnum minis are such good portions. And then for dinner, I made a Caribbean bean bowl with garlic rice and tomato salsa. It's another HelloFresh recipe, and it has become one of my favorite non-meat dish. And then I had the same yogurt cup or yogurt bowl for dessert. Thursday, I had some sourdough toast with fried eggs with some spinach as well. And of course, the everything but the bagel seasoning. Just before lunch, I snacked on some brown rice crackers with some chipotle hummus. It was so nice. For lunch, I had the leftover Caribbean bean bowl with some tomato salsa and garlic rice. For dinner, I made Cajun chicken with some roasted potatoes, broccoli, beetroot, and onions, as well as some rice. And finally, for dessert, I had another one of those Magnum mini ice creams. And yeah, that is it for what I eat in a few days. And if you like this video, please click the like button or subscribe. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!